blah blah blah. Test, test, test.
Ting ting ting.
Come on, let's just do this now. Right. What are we doing? We're going to do Rodarte, but with a twist.
What's the twist, Sophie?
It's going to be mirror-free makeup. So we haven't got a mirror. We can't see ourselves in the camera. We're going to do it blind.
And if you didn't see Rodarte, it was like the most full-on makeup of all of New York Fashion Week.
So this will be great. Let's start with eyes.
Okay.
Blue.
I think we really need to pack it on.
Okay. Why don't people just do this all the time? How do we know if it's on enough?
I have no idea. Is it a competition of whose bet is better?
Yeah, of course. It's always a competition. You've got a better brush than me.
Oh well, you should come prepared. It looks really good. Have you gone underneath the eye?
No. Brow? A romantic brow. What's a romantic brow? Feathery.
Yeah, brushed up and feathery.
Okay.
I've got a brush.
What, just brushed? No, you gotta put makeup on.
I tell you what, I've got some. I don't know what my eyebrow is.
Maybe this will be really good and we don't really need to worry.
I'm gonna go pink blush. And they do it like this, like swept. Okay.
Oh,
That's just adding to it.
okay.
It's really good.
Right, lip. There was a
That
liner.
blush is actually really nice. Really nice colour. It's nice with the yellow.
You look beautiful.
Thank you.
We're gonna have to share. Don't cheat.
Not cheating. That's watching. You done actually quite well.
I always do lips.
I don't know where you start. This is really hard.
But it's genuinely useful.
Okay.
So it's like velvety, matte, perfect red lip. This backstage makeup thing is easy.
Wait, no, have we finished? We've got to get mascara.
Oh god.
Yours actually does look really good.
Yours does too.
Like, yours could do with like a bit of tidying up, but yours looks good. Doesn't mine not?
I mean, it's not the messiest I've ever seen, but I don't like it. Ready?
Oh my, do you know what? I quite like it.
Easy, perfect New York Fashion Week makeup.
I wouldn't do that without a mirror. I like people touching my eye. Oh no!
It's so gentle. Put your eyebrow up. This one, up. Put your eyebrow up.
What do you mean?
Close your lid. Put your eyebrow up.
How?
Like this.
I have no idea what you're talking about. Okay, I've had enough.
Okay. Woohoo, okay. It's gone in my lens, that.
Do I actually have to do it?
No, you just don't know. Don't. Done? Good? Ta-da! Ta-da!